Hi, Valentin here from Dongguan Roma. Do you know when your products finish the machining, what inspection will have? Let's go take a look together. Normally during machining process, we will have a simple inspection at a fixed time. If we find NG parts, all products produced during this period need to be fully inspected. What if it's all okay? When the parts finish the machining, we will have a professional QC team to inspect the tolerance to make sure its quality and performance meet your requirement. Such as the CNC milling machining parts, we will inspect it use caliper, tooling microscope, quadratic element, micrometer, height gauge, solder fork testing machine, scalerometer, needle gauge, third gauge, ring gauge, runout instrument, blade micrometer, feeler, also including customized jig. This year we also add a laboratory can do some functional testing. We have RCA operator, tension test, constant temperature, and humidity box, multifunction alcohol rubber friction testing machine. If you have an upcoming project or want more details about what we can do for you, don't hesitate to get in touch.